Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to clone your voice with AI. So the first thing we want to do is go to your browser and type in play.ht, okay? Or you can search play.ht. So once you're on this page, you want to try for free or you want to log in with an account, whatever works. Okay, so I'm going to sign up with Google. Alright, so it says, how do you want to use play.ht? Individual, of course, videos, entertainment. You can just click. Alright, so here we are. So what you want to do is go down here to voice cloning. As you can see, click on voice cloning. Then you create a new clone. So it says you only have 30 seconds of audio needed. Then click on this. So what you want to do is upload the voice samples that you want to clone into this right here. So I'm going to upload the voice sample and then we can go from there. Alright, so once you select the voice audio, okay, so you want to use, is it male? Alright, so you want to describe the voice. So I'm going to go with middle-aged, English, British, okay? So narrative, conversational. Right. You can add a new label, whatever works for you. Okay, so how would you describe this voice? Click on I hereby confirm and you click on clone voice. Alright, so voice clone successful. So once you clone your voice, you can click on use. So right here you can use the voice. Okay, so we're gonna type in some words to check out what this voice clone sounds like. Okay, alright, so I'm gonna type in some. So you're gonna click on generate page.
What's going on with you today? What's going on with you today?
Okay. I mean, considering the fact that the voice I uploaded was like a singing voice. So, yeah. Okay. You can give this a try. You can record your own personal voice, So test it out and then let me know how it works for you in the comment section. Okay, so this is how to clone your voice with AI. If you gained something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.